Hi there, welcome. Let me show you how easy it is to delete your Facebook page. So you want to be logged into Facebook. Here I am logged in with my main account. In order for me to go ahead and delete this page, I need to first go to it. So from my main account, I select the menu button, then I go to pages, and then I select the account that I want to delete. Now that I'm into the page, in order for me to delete it, I must first switch to that page. So to your left, click the switch button, then hit switch again. Now that I'm into the profile of the page, I'm able to get into its settings. So to do that, you want to click on the profile icon, then select settings and privacy, then select settings, and to your left you want to scroll down until you see your information. Under that heading, select access and control. Then from here, select delete page and continue. Here Facebook will give you a warning that deleting your page is permanent, and if you want to save any information associated with your page, you can download the information or transfer a copy of it. We're not doing that here, so I'm just going to go ahead and select continue. And now you need to enter your account's password. This is the password for your main account, so the password I have for Christopher Edwards. Once you enter that, hit continue and then continue. Now your page has been deleted successfully and you are switched back to your main account by default. To see that your page is actually deleted, you need to go back into your menu, then pages, and then you won't see it under the pages that you manage. Instead, it will be under your deactivated and deleted pages section. And that is it, guys. If you like this video, do remember to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below letting me know what you think. You can also ask me any questions related to this topic. Until next time, take care.